Hi everyone, it's me Kat, and in today's video, I think it's going to be just another short one. I mean, after I edit it of course, but yeah, come and watch how I finish crocheting another custom order that I received pretty recently. I think around like a week ago. I've been really busy last week, so I don't have any time to start the order, and I did tell the customer beforehand that I'm going to be busy on the weekend especially, so I'm taking you guys along with the process and also everything related in the making of the custom order. So this order comes from my regular customer. She did purchase from me before twice. The first time she ordered kuromi and also lotso bear, and then the second time she requested the 20 pieces amigurumi broccoli in a keychain version. Although during that time I also feel sad because she ended up only taking 15 of the broccoli, and yeah, I have to admit that I do feel sad, but also I am blessed that she decided to purchase another order from me. This time 12 pieces of mini avocado, also in a kitchen size version. And I'm lucky because before she made the order, I actually practiced making the mini size version of my avocado. This is the size. This is the avocado size that I made before, and this is not my pattern. If you guys want to make this one, I will put the link in the description box below. But yeah, I made another one. It's another mini version of this. It's really just another mini version with the size of my previous broccoli amigurumi. If you guys watched the video, only like this. I didn't make any stock for the avocado, so I couldn't show you guys at this moment. So without wasting any more time, let's start crocheting the avocado. So for the mini avocado, I will start making each part separately. I mean the flesh, the seed, and also the skin part. And right now I already crocheted 8 of the flesh. She requested to have it in a light green for the flesh, a little bit darker for the skin, and I think I'm gonna be using a chocolate color for the seed. So let's start crocheting the flesh together. I'm gonna be showing you guys the process of making the flesh. I think I'm gonna be showing only one, and the rest, let's use the magic of editing. I mean, to speed it up. It's just a very simple editing skill. Let's just speed it up, but I'm gonna be showing you guys how I crochet the flesh for the mini avocado. So let's start crocheting. So hello everyone, I already finished crocheting all the 12 pieces of the flesh for the avocado. It's all here. I do see a little bit of difference between each flesh, but yeah, I will decide later on if I have to redo anything. But for now, I will continue making the seeds first. I will be using this yarn. The color code for this yarn is chocolate, so I think it's much more better and matching with the color green that I use for the flesh and also the skin. Now let's just start and crochet the seeds. Hello, so today I would like to continue crocheting the skin for the avocado, and I'm gonna be using this color for the skin. It's called autumn green, and it's cute actually. I think the color is suited with the flash. This is a light green, this one is an autumn green, and I think it's matching, right? Okay, so last night I already crocheted around 5 of the skin because I have a leftover of the autumn green yarn, and I managed to get 5 of this. And today I would like to continue finishing all the skin part. I think 7 more to go. And after I finish crocheting the skin, I will first do the seeds first because some of them are still empty. I haven't put any stuffing inside, and I didn't fasten off the seed yesterday. So maybe today, after I finish the skin, I will do the seeds, and then I will like do the final touch for the avocado, which is to put the eyes and embroider the mouth, and also like to combine all parts together, like to sew them together. And yeah, now I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I make the skin. And I would like to share with you guys one particular avocado that I crocheted recently alongside with the 12 other mini avocado. And this avocado is really cute. It has flaws, of course, and I don't want to say that it's a mistake because for me it still looks cute, but of course it looked a bit different than the other that I made because I actually crocheted the wrong pattern for the flesh and also the skin. So let me show you guys how it looks like. That one. This one, can you guys see? Can you guys see that? What do you guys think? Hello, so today I would like to finish up my avocados order. I already finished crocheted 12 pieces of seeds, flesh, and also the skin. It's all right here. Yeah, that one, the darker one is the skin, the lighter one is the flesh, and then this one, the chocolate or the brown, is the seeds. And I already stuffed all of the seeds, but I just haven't got the time to record, so I do it off camera. So now all that's left is to combine them together. So I won't be putting any amigurumi's eyes because the customer requested she will be doing it herself. So all I have to do left is just to combine all parts together, and then I'm done. So yeah, let's just start working. Everyone, so last night I actually already finished sewing all parts of the avocados together, and just sharing with you guys, I started sewing like in the afternoon of yesterday, and while sewing I found out that 3 pieces of the flesh are not in the matching size for the skin, so I end up doing another 3 new flesh, so that I am very satisfied and I can ship them out, and so that the customer also feel really satisfied with her order. So yeah, last night around midnight I finally actually already done most of my tasks, and also to pack her 12 piece of keychain ring because she also wanted to attach that herself. And then after that is the packing time, so hopefully maybe tomorrow I can ship them out. And let me show you guys how the avocados look like. Here they are just really small, but it's cute. It's a decent size. It's actually the same size, the similar size like the broccoli. Look at that. It's cute. It's really cute. Look, it's chubby and it's cute. So right now I'm going to pack her 12 of the keychain ring, and also the eyes, the avocado's eyes. I think I'm gonna pack her the 6mm size. If not, I think maybe the 5 one. So yeah, I'll see first which one is much better and suit the avocado. So without any further ado, let's start packing. Actually, I just realized each avocado will get two eyes, a pair of eyes. So if 12 pieces of avocado, that means I need to provide her, I need to pack her 24 pieces of eyes. This only has 12 in it, so I do the calculation wrong this time. So let's add some more into this. So here I get 12. I need to add another 12. Really soon. So another 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Five, 2. And it's done. I get all of it here. So this is the box that I will use to pack the avocado. I know it missing the top part, so later on I will just do something to cover up this box. But yeah, so also this is actually a battery box. I just reused everything I could, and now let's start packing them all up. This one is actually in the yellow color, and this one is the light green that I also use for the flash in this particular order. So look, it is dented over here because it's not the same number of stitches. So but it still look cute. Look at those eyes. Yeah, so I'm going to keep this for me and make another version, a much better version like this, the same color. So for this one, because I also have another project that I'm not sure if I can like make it for this month. It depends. It's actually my first market vlog, but I'm not sure if I will join the the market because there's a lot to think of in terms of financial perspective. So yeah, if I do join the market, I think you guys are going to be seeing another video on that. So, but for now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.